Yeah, welcome back to the channel. Now it's the first day of Christmas, so 25th of December. I got the camera. On here you have the camera in the back. Hopefully the camera I got here is everything is right, connectors and everything, I hope. Seems to be made specially for this, as it's supposed to, for the RX400 and what's called 350 and 450, is it that? Mine is the hybrid, so just trying to do it. I just backed into the garage just to get away from the Christmas rain. It's 8 degrees plus Celsius outside, 25th of December in Norway. Crazy. Yeah. Quite sure this is just hanging on. Very simple. The camera seems to be taken off the first part. The camera seems to be further up there, so I have to take off the rest here. Yeah. Disconnect the lights. We're back here. There. The connector for the light here was a little hard, so it hasn't been up before. Here the camera have to be somewhere up in the system. We see it here. I have some screws here, and the connector seems to be here. Now I see up here I have a meter of bolt that up here and one here, and we have to disconnect this one. Let's see. Seems to be a 10mm. And then we have to disconnect. Back here we have some clips. There, and then we have to pressure in here, disconnect, and now we see the new and the old camera. Yeah, it's exactly the same. Then it should only be, you can't even put it upside down, it's only one way you can put it in. I'm just leaving the blue protection tape on for a moment. And then the two bolts need to go back. Just connect there and in there. Now that is back. The camera, this one is working, but it's just, I think the glass will be ruined over time. Now I can just go in and see a little inside the car. Let me start up and see if the camera comes on. Yeah. Just let's see. Put it in reverse now. Should get a completely blue picture. That's completely normal because I haven't taken off the blue. Just have to put on the systems here. And here we have to remember to put on the lights. There. Just let's see here. There, taken off. No, it's supposed to be on the right place. It's not supposed to be able to move. Yeah, just see. Now we see. Yeah. Turn off here. Put it in reverse now. There! At least it was a nicer picture. Nicer contrast and everything like that. It's not sharper. I'm not sure about that, but it's nicer. Take off the roof lights here. I can't say that this is perfect either, but this is very cheap. Very cheap. But it looks sharper, but it's more pixelated than the old one. So, I think, at least for the price, I'm satisfied that for hopefully this, when it gets dirty, is getting a better picture than the old one I had. That was my point. And this car I also have 2 more backup lights, so it's a lot of lighting in the back. Yeah. Let's see. Then you see it was very simple to change. Done with the 2 plates on the back on this one. I've seen some other one on other models. Only have 1 plate on the back, I think. So that should be even easier. But yeah, no problem. It's fast. 2 10mm, and then you're out. A connector. The most problem I had with the connector on the little light on the back door. That was the only one. The rest is easy. Yeah. Trying to fix up this car piece by piece. I'm hoping to get in my Land Cruiser again soon. I need to get that one fixed. And we are waiting for exhaust pipes for the Camry, and we had some accident. I smashed the Fiesta. Maybe I should work on it, or maybe not. We have to see. Yeah, it's a lot of things. But thank you. Please come back. Please put a like on the video. Please put some comments. And start subscribing to the channel. That will help me a lot. Thank you.